Hey guys, it's Naturally Madlove and I'm here with another video, and today I'll be giving you a tutorial on my infamous twist outs. And I'm going to show you the secrets and the tips on getting a really defined twist out. So today I'll be using Cantu coconut curling cream. That's all I use for my twist outs. And then I'm going to just be using wide tooth comb and a denman brush. And I just washed my hair, use argan oil, shampoo and conditioner. I detangled, so my hair is detangled, and I'm about to get into this video. So you just want to decide where you want your part to be, and usually I've been doing like a side part, not too deep. So this is like a light side part, if that makes sense. Oh no, what is this part doing? Okay, so once you have your part, do I like it? Okay, so once you have your part, you're just gonna start twisting. You're gonna take a section, not too big. This is like a good section, maybe a little bit more actually. You're just gonna section your hair about this much, because you don't want to have the section be too big, or it's not gonna come out as defined. And you're gonna take a little bit of the Cantu coconut cream. You're gonna start putting it on the ends and work your way up to the roots. Then you're gonna go detangle your hair with your comb, and then you're gonna use your denman brush. This defines your curls really well, and I highly recommend getting this brush. So then for the twisting, you just want to separate the hair into two parts, like this, and then just go over the other, one over the other. And this is how you do your twist out. Your twist, I guess. So you keep twisting. And then the key to my really defined twist outs, you see I'm like curling the ends right here, just so they're more defined. And then before I get to the end, I'm still like finger curling them. And then I don't finish the twist like that. I just kind of curl it with my fingers until I get to the end. And then it should end up looking like this. Then you bump it so it curls back up like this. So this is what you want your twist, the end of the twist, to look like. And I do this so just in case it's a little frizzy, this eliminates the frizz, and so the ends aren't, messy. And so you're just gonna keep doing this until you're done your whole head. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after I finish twisting it. Here we go. And so now I'm just gonna let it dry. It takes 6 to 8 hours for it to dry. So I'm gonna just put my bonnet on, and I'm gonna go to sleep and take it out in the morning. Alright, I'm back. Tired as ever. It's 7:45 in the morning. Word of advice, don't take 8 a.m.s. I did that mistake. I don't know why. But anyway, these are my twists underneath the bonnet. They look real ugly right now, but now we're gonna start untwisting them. And I'm gonna untwist all of them first and then start separating them. So okay, so now I separated all of them, and now the next step you're going to do is to separate the twist. And by doing that, you just literally want to separate the curl in the way that it wants to go. So don't disturb the curl pattern. Okay? So literally, you're going to take a piece like this. And then what I do after is kind of recurl it with my finger. So I'm going to just recurl it like that. And then as you can see, this piece kind of wants to separate as well. So I'm going to separate that. And then curl it back up again. Like that. There we go. I'm going to separate it one more time because it kind of wants to separate. And then go like that. But I'm going to start with the back. So you do that with all the curls. So this is my hair after I separated my twist. So now all we're going to do is pick it out with a wide tooth comb. And you're going to pick it out by starting from the roots and like this. So it could get bigger and thicker and fuller. So I'm just going to do this. This process kind of takes a while. And this is just kind of like to shape your twist out. And so it looks bigger. So yeah. Okay, so I just got done fluffing it, picking it out with my wide tooth comb. You can keep messing with it, honestly, but the longer you have your twist outs each day, it's going to get bigger. So if you don't like it right now, well, like for me, I know it's going to be bigger tomorrow. So I'm going to just enjoy the defined curls and I'm going to wait till it gets bigger the next day. So like my final step is, usually I just take some Shine Jam. I just take some Shine Jam, put it right here, and then I take my brush, I brush it like this, and then I just bobby pin this side. And then I just take my edge control, which is also Shine Jam, and I just do my edges. Do it like that. And then you can pick it again. Again, it's going to get bigger the more days you have it out, so.
What we do here is go back.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share with everyone. Keep sharing. I need to get my subscribers up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. If you liked this video, thumbs up. If you didn't like it, don't waste your energy putting the thumbs down because that's corny. Anyway, I like my hair. I don't know if you guys like it.